Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by measuring the fabric where the dart is needed and marking exact intake and length. You fold the fabric with right sides together so the markings align. This creates a usable guide for shaping. You pin through the pivot point to hold layers and press a narrow crease from the dart apex toward the hem. This flattens bulk and makes stitching predictable. Once done, check symmetry on both sides and adjust marks before sewing to ensure balanced shaping. You position the pinned fabric under the machine and begin with a short backstitch at the wide end for stability, then stitch toward the apex, gradually tapering so the tip is smooth rather than bulky. You should use a 2:5 to 3:0 stitch length for standard fabrics and leave a thread tail to pull through. This helps you secure the end without bulky knots. Once stitched, trim the seam allowance if needed and press the dart flat toward the center or down. Depending on garment, you finish raw dart edges with a zigzag or serger and then press the dart from the wrong side to create a smooth, contoured shape that follows the body. Put the garment on to check the fit and make fine adjustments. Alter intake in 0.5 cm increments to increase or decrease shaping. If the dart apex puckers, release a bit of seam allowance or lengthen the dart slightly, then repress. This relieves tension and usually fixes puckering. Retest the fit to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.